Welcome back. One of the ways you expand your audience and network when you are selling information products is to allow affiliates to promote those products using an affiliate program. You are now looking at the Teachable Affiliate Program. There are levels of the Teachable course platform that will allow you to run your own private affiliate program for the products and services that you create. Now, a less hands-off way of being able to manage your own affiliate program is to use a shopping cart system like ThriveCart. For all of the products that you sell on the ThriveCart platform, you can make those products available for affiliates to promote. And what you'll be doing is making it so that when an individual purchases a product from the link of an affiliate, you're going to see to it that the person is paid an affiliate sales commission. And so you can set these features up inside of ThriveCart for any product that you're going to create. You can also determine when the individual can expect to be paid from their sales activity. You can make it so that you approve individuals that are going to be signing up for your affiliate program, and you can determine how long their link will be active in terms of generating an affiliate commission. Now, if you don't want to purchase access to a shopping cart, you can use an affiliate platform and network like ClickBank, where individuals come to look for products to promote to their audience. If you have in your audience business opportunity seekers, you will be able to use platforms like JVZoo and the Warrior Plus network. These networks give you an online shopping cart as well as a transparent system for affiliates to be paid when they promote your product to their audience. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.